If you've lost access to your Bank of America account and need to regain ownership, follow these simple steps to restore your access quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, such as your account number, social security number, and any identification documents. This will help verify your identity during the recovery process. Step 2. Visit the Bank of America website. Go to the official Bank of America website. Look for the sign-in option and click on Forgot ID or Password. This will direct you to the account recovery section. Step 3. Follow the recovery prompts. Enter the required information as prompted, including your personal details and account information. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure you provide accurate information for verification. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may be asked to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Check your email or messages for the verification code and enter it as instructed. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should have regained ownership of your Bank of America account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer service for further assistance.